So I grew up in France. My dad's French, my mom's American. We grew up in the south of France. I was about 10. Moved to the States, kind of followed my mom to a lot of different states. Ended up in Decatur when I was 17, when I was a senior. Then, went into the military, kind of went to Texas with that, and then came back, met my husband, and he is a Decaturite, born and raised here, from here, so we're probably going to stay here, long term. Well, at Crossing Healthcare, I'm a psychiatric mental health nurse practitioner. My job in a nutshell would be to help patients help themselves to get to their best selves, to get to their highest quality of life that they can get to. We do that with therapy and medications if we need to. They'll do some counseling, they'll do things like that. I was 17, I enlisted in the military, and the job I picked was mental health specialist, and I thought, at the time, just because it sounded interesting. Well, after training, I was like, I love this. I want to do this for the rest of my life. Like, I knew, that was something that I was going to be passionate about, that I would want to do long term. Oh, definitely the people. I love their stories. I could sit and listen to their stories for hours. The different backgrounds, where people come from, how they get to where they are, and where we can go from there. I mean, the core, we're so similar, we just don't realize it. Our environment, what happens to us, all of these things that just create, the people that we are today at the moment. And I always try to tell them, we're always evolving, we're always changing. You're not stuck, here forever. Like, you don't have to be. We can move on. So definitely the people. My primary objectives are for them to dream big, to think outside of their limitations that society or whoever has put on them, their families, oftentimes friends or its significant others or whatever, has made them feel that this is as high as that they're getting, this is what they're worth, this is where they're going to go in life and nowhere else. So I try to challenge them to break all of that, to think outside the box, to dream big, to reach high so that, they can envision the life that they want and then really go for that. And then together we can work on getting them there. I'm an adventure person, but I also have 3 kids and they're little, so I don't go on grand adventures. Our adventures basically consist of us waking up on Saturday and like, what should we, go do today? And we'll go discover a new park or somewhere to eat that's different, or go to a neighboring town and see what's going on there. The little festivals, like, we're big outdoor people. If I have a moment to myself, then I guess curling up on the couch and disappearing into a good mystery novel is what I like to do.